Welcome back, everybody. So now that we know a little bit about clouds and the different types of clouds, let's put the knowledge to the test and pretend to be meteorologists studying clouds. When it's nice out, try going outside with a pencil and paper and looking up at the clouds. Make sure you protect your eyes from the bright sun. Now, there are two different rules for cloud watching. The first rule is to be patient and watch the clouds for a long time. The second rule is to be creative, see what kind of shapes you can see. Looking at the clouds, what shapes do you see? Try to draw some of your favorite clouds on paper. Do you think you can figure out what kind of cloud they are? Are they white or are they gray? Are they puffy or are they thin? Are they low or are they high? Do you think that you can make a story from the different shapes you see in the clouds? Was there a dog, a hamburger, a face? For me, I saw a carrot, a mermaid, and a dragon. Be patient, be creative, and have fun. So I took some time to study the clouds over the course of a few days. The first day was all about cloud watching, where I used my imagination to see all the different kinds of shapes I could find in the clouds. But I also wanted to study the different types of clouds I could see. I saw some cumulonimbus clouds, which showed me that rain and thunder were on the way. The day before I saw a cumulonimbus cloud, I saw cirrostratus clouds, which told me that the weather is going to change within the next 24 hours. What kind of clouds do you see outside? Do you know what type they are? Thanks for watching today. I hope everyone had fun learning all about clouds. Now go outside, use those cloud watching binoculars, and create a story all about the clouds. Make sure to check out online with the help of an adult for more cloud crafts and ideas.